Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk about how you can get the best results when cooking with steam using our Panasonic microwaves. So if you've got a Panasonic combi microwave that has the steam function included, let's talk a little bit about how you can get the best quality steam from your microwave. First things first, make sure you're using the correct cooking mode for the food you want to steam. So a lot of our microwaves obviously come with the steam mode, but some of them also come with combi modes that include steam. So depending on the type of food you want to steam, whether it's vegetables, fish or meat, do make sure that if it needs a combi mode, use the correct combi mode, or if it just needs steam, make sure you use the steam mode. For help with that, you can have a look at our operating instructions. We often have dedicated recipes for our models in those operating instructions. You can also have a look at Experience Fresh. That's our dedicated website for our kitchen products. We've got recipes for our specific microwave steam models in there, so you can find out more information there. Next up, make sure you're using the correct accessories when you're steaming your food. Our Panasonic microwaves come with dedicated Panasonic accessories, including a steam tray. So make sure you use that steam tray when you use the steam mode on our Panasonic microwaves. Really important you use the dedicated accessories. They're built for our microwaves, so do make sure you use them. Lastly, it's all about cleaning and maintenance. When you've got a microwave that uses steam, it's really important that you make sure it's nice and clean so that every time it steams to the best of its ability. And that includes removing the water tank, emptying it, keeping the water tank nice and clean, topping it up when needed. Some of our models actually have an auto clean function included. This is the CS89 function, and it does have an auto clean function included. So when the clean icon comes up, you can run that system, and that helps keep your whole unit clean, including the steam function as well. So it's really important you use that. Other units might have a descale option that you can use as well, and that also helps remove any buildup of limescale that you may find, especially here in the UK with our hard water, you may find on the inside of your microwave with the steam function there. So I hope you found that information useful, just a little bit to help you get the best possible steam out of using our Panasonic steam microwaves. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.